Okay, so you can see that I have the profile here, and we'll go up around this corner here and over to the stop sign and see if it actually stops, which it probably won't. Yeah, see it. This I mean, that's what I like it to do. I like it to drive like that, but it's not supposed to do that in chill mode, and it's doing it. And I might as well show you this intersection up here too. It's the one that sometimes beta it'll stop really far back because there's they repaved it, and that sometimes it thinks that's the stop line, and then I don't know, it's kind of weird. See, it needs to actually go because there's cars coming from that way, I guess. I mean, it was fine that time, but if the cars were closer and it started trying to do that, it would be I'd have to make it go faster. And see, now it's driving in the bike lane. Okay, it needs to go. Is it going to try to go? Okay, that was kind of good. Okay, I don't want it going 40 over this. There's a speed bump up here, which it should, it shows it on the screen, but it likes to slow down after the speed bump. So I don't know if it does that for you too. It'll slow down a little before, but then slow down more after the speed bump. This ignored that one. Look at this, regenerative braking temporarily reduced. So I don't know, I've been driving around for 20 or 30 minutes, I don't know how long, playing around with the beta and stop signs, and that message wasn't up there earlier. It was after and it does this a lot, and it doesn't make sense how after I've been driving for a while, it'll just decide that the regenerative braking's reduced. So I don't know what the deal with. I should have slowed down for the school zone, but I guess there's no point anymore. It would be nice if it would see the school zone and slow down for the school zone, but part of that is that it needs to be able to, let's see, okay, good, it's doing what it's supposed to do, going at the same time the car from the other direction went, but it needs to see school zone signs and see what it says on the school zone sign, not just the speed limit. It needs to see, whether it says, whether the school zone applies when children are present, when lights are flashing, or from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. In my city there's school zone signs that say all of those different things, and so some of them you don't really have to slow down for, and some of them you do. Okay, it can go now. Okay, I don't actually. Crumble's right over there. I don't actually want to go there right now, though. Okay, why? What the heck? It's because navigation was still ending. I was wondering why was it slowing down for no reason. But the navigation hadn't updated yet. This turn up here is another. Ooh, there's a black Model Y. But this turn up here is one that it kind of is weird at. like, it'll do the turn okay, but it like swerves a lot on it. Right. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was really terrible. The car behind me probably wonders what the heck I was doing. Oh wow. But yeah, that's one of the worst things I've seen it do there. Like, usually it swerves, but that's some of the worst swerving I've seen from it. And then it always wants to get into this lane. Oh, it was that bike that made it brake. But it always wants to get over into this lane, but like, I don't know if you can see the sign in the camera, but this lane ends like not at this signal, but at the signal after it, so it shouldn't get into the lane that's ending. And like, I think it's just incorrect map data, because it wasn't last summer, but it was like the summer before that. So like in 2020 they redid the street, and it used to be 2 lanes all the way along this street, but now it's only 2 lanes in some parts. And yeah, I don't know, I see why they did what they did. So now like there's a turn lane in the center, so like people turning onto residential streets aren't like stopping in the middle of the road, which is better. But anyways. See, I don't know why, like, it was like leaving lots of room, and then right at the end it just like sped up a little bit, and I don't really know what it was thinking, but oh well. That's one thing I like about Beta so much, is like with, I don't know if the regular autopilot build is better at this now too, but like when a car stopped and turned off like that, like regular autopilot would just come to like a complete stop almost. It would like annoy me so much. And then like up here, the road, it does the same thing. It goes into 2 lanes again, but like it actually, like I need it to be over in this lane, so I have to put the turn signal on and then cancel it. If I don't cancel it, it'll go all the way into the turn lane, which I don't want. And sometimes it's a little bit tricky canceling it. Like if I don't do it at the right time, it'll like swerve back into that lane. And then if I let it go too long, it'll go all the way into that lane. But like I'm actually turning up here, but okay, is it going to go? Okay. See, it's like it knows it had to, oh, I see what it was doing actually. It was trying to, wait, it wasn't giving that car room to merge, it was giving that, it wanted to get behind the car to turn. But anyways, that's another, I mean, what I don't get with that intersection, oh, I didn't actually have to do that. I don't know why I turned it off. But with that intersection, I wish they would have like made the lane turn into a right turn lane, instead of just ending and making cars that have to make a right turn there turn like I mean, you probably know what I mean.